Looking for a simple way to shield your toggle switches from moisture, dust, and dirt? These tough EDPM rubber covers offer reliable protection without the hassle. Designed to fit most Gardner Bender toggle switches, they screw on easily thanks to a built-in hex nut base, ensuring a secure fit every time. Gardner Bender's toggle switches are known for their versatility, offering multiple position configurations like SPST, SPDT, DPST, and DPDT. They feature flat terminals and meet the demanding standards of automotive, marine, and industrial applications. These rubber covers complement those switches perfectly, guarding against the elements without interfering with performance. One user shared how the cover performed on an outdoor appliance during winter. Although it saw limited use as it was installed in spring, it effectively kept dust and dampness away from the switch. The material isn't ultra heavy duty, but it's sturdy enough to protect switches in everyday conditions, making it a smart, affordable choice. What you get with these covers is peace of mind. No more worrying about moisture seeping into your switches or dirt building up and causing problems. The weather-resistant EDPM rubber seals tightly, extending the lifespan of your switches and maintaining smooth operation under tough conditions. If you need a practical, no-fuss solution to protect your toggle switches, these covers are worth a look. They're easy to install, compatible with most GB toggle switches, and come in a convenient pack of 2. That means you can safeguard multiple switches without breaking the bank. Try these covers when you're ready to upgrade your switch protection. Whether it's for an outdoor appliance, automotive use, or industrial equipment, they offer a reliable barrier against the elements. Keep your switches working smoothly and extend their durability with this simple addition. In short, these EDPM rubber covers deliver solid protection with minimal effort. They fit securely, resist moisture and dust, and hold up well in typical outdoor and industrial environments. For anyone looking to preserve their toggle switches without spending a fortune, this is a practical, effective option.